Ang high school reunion sa tanan ang sa atong kinabuhi. Ang high school gayud imong mapili. Nagbilin og daghang handumanan bisan karon dili gyud daling ikalimtan. Diha sa reunion imo gyud makita ang high school mong mga barkada. Tagsa-tagsa hisgot sa ilang mga istorya, tigulang na ang uban, di na gyud ka makaila. Balik-balik kun gayud hisgot ang kagahapon. Apil ang tras sa gugma sa unang higayon. Di na gayud maulaw na itug-an ang tanan kay dili man gayud mahimong ikalimtan. Dili gayud mabayaran ang panagkita sa imong barkada sa high school ka pa. Katawa og mislit abot sa dalunggan kay gitug-an ang kudigo pag-exam iya naging resulta ang tanan. Kay seniors naman ang imong mga higala, ang panagkita usa kada kunggasa, ilang mga pahiyom ug mga katawa pagabalunon mo samtang may ginhawa pa.
The older I get, the more I think you only get a minute, better live while you're in it, 'cause it's gone in a blink. And the older I get, the truer it is. It's the people you love, not the money and stuff that makes you rich. And if they found a fountain of youth, I wouldn't drink a drop, and that's the truth. Funny how it feels, I'm just getting to my best years yet. The older I get, the fewer friends I have. But you don't need a lot, and the ones that you've got have always got your back. And the older I get, the better I am in knowing when to give and when to just not give a damn. And if they found a fountain of youth, I wouldn't drink a drop, and that's the truth. Funny how it feels, I'm just getting to my best years yet. The older I get. I don't mind all the lines from all the times I've laughed and cried. Souvenirs and little signs of the life I've lived. The older I get, the longer I pray. I don't know why, I guess that I've got more to say. And the older I get, the more thankful I feel for the life I've had and all the life I'm living still.